Today we're going to cook some Aito food, and we're just going to catch some water in the pot to begin our cooking. Put the pot on the stove with a third the amount of water in the pot. Next we're going to add some salt into the water to give it some flavor and some. What's this we have here? This is yam. Not true. Yes, yam. And this is yam as well. Straight out of the ground. What kind of yam is this? Yellow yam, yes. Yellow yam. Use that at the back. And this is a sweet potato. This is why it's called yellow yam, because when you cut it, it looks yellow inside and it tastes delicious. This is oxidization. This is when you cut the yam, it begins to change color because of the oxygen that attracts itself to the yam. That's why it looks the way it does, but it does taste nice. And if you want to change the color of the yam, you add vinegar to the yam to restore it back to its healthy yellow looking color. Here we're adding some oil to the hands, and this is for, what would you say this is for?
Preventing the stain from the sweet potato to stain up your hand when you finish peeling it.
Okay, so this is the sweet potato that gives off a stain when you peel it. And to prevent the stain from getting on your hands, you rub your hands with oil, which I've never seen done before.
I've done it several times, but your eyes are never here.
Right now we're going to simply wash the food and remove some of the skin from the sweet potato as we wash. So this is the sweet potato after it's been washed. This is how it looks. Very clean. And we're going to make some soul food. Some food that's good for the soul. Little slices. Do remember to be careful when you're cutting your food up. Children, don't try this at home on your own. Make sure you have a responsible adult helping you.
The responsible adult here is David.
Yeah, so you gotta cut those slices.
His father is irresponsible, so is he stain?
To the stain, man. Yeah, changing colour. Careful as you cut your soul food.
Professional.
Don't try this at home, children. Use a cutting board when possible. Have a professional here. You peel the skin of the yam to reveal the nice texture of yellow coated yam. It's a bit slimy. It's the juices and the nutrients that's from the yam overflowing.
Jamaican honey.
The good Jamaican yam. Yellow yam.
Do you like yellow yam?
I love yellow yam. It's a bit of a mouthful to say, you know.
Yellow yam.
Yellow yam. And cooking is so much fun when you do it in twos or in a group. This is yellow yam as well. But we're not going to cook all of that yellow yam that you see there. We're just going to cook this little slice that we had to slice off. Very sticky.
When the skin of the yam touches the human skin, it scratches.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Why is that?
Because of what's in it that makes it scratch. Even you just start scratching a little piece that slide on there. Right. Here we go.
Rinse these again. Wash them off. Here we're washing it off. Sweet potato and the yam. Yellow yam. Just draining them off. So there you go. Pot like that. Yes. Put the lid on with a little vinegar. And voila, we're on our way to having some soul food. Do remember, if you haven't already, subscribe, press the like button and smash the like button and press the bell to be notified of any more videos on the way. This is going to cook for 20 to 25 minutes, half an hour maximum. You don't want it to get soft and mushy. You want it to remain firm and with a nice texture and taste. In goes the vinegar. And turn the fire back up after the water's boiled, and you put the food into the pot and let it cook. Yeah. Here is a combination of frozen scallion and peppers and seasoning. It's frozen, but it's ready to be cooked right now. We're going to get the succulent juices flowing in the pot. Yes, right now. Just going to add some onions to the mix of seasoning. We've got the pot on the stove warming up. Yes, and it's looking great right now. Men in the kitchen. This is a Scots bonnet pepper, very, very, very hot. Try not to put any seeds in your seasoning when you're cooking with this pepper, because it will burn your mouth, something serious, chronic. Dope pepper. So we're going to add a little bit of Scots bonnet pepper to the seasoning, just a little taster, just to get the fluids, juices exploding on the taste buds. So now we've turned off the pot on the yam and the potato, sweet potato. To the seasoning we're going to add some tuna for some protein, and we've got some brandy to go in there as well, which we'll be adding in a short while. And it is smelling delicious. I actually like the food more and more. Sizzling, tasty, delicious seasoning with a tin of tuna in oil. Now for the brandy. Brandy is also hot of pepper, so we don't want to put too much in, just the right amount to get the flavours moving and the energies bursting. Delicious. Yes, chef. Looking good. And it is smelling sweet.
You don't have no tomato.
We don't have any tomatoes at the moment, but you can also add tomatoes in your meal if you wish. Just delicious for now, just nice and easy. Remember, this fry-up should only cook for 5 minutes, say, approximately 5 minutes. You can smell the brandy already. Delicious. These are Eden vegetables from Eden Valley, product of Jamaica, and these are just going to get sliced up into little chunk sizes, bite sizes, and fried up as well to complete the meal. These are very nice. We have these quite regularly lately, and they taste delicious. It's not meat and it's hard to beat. So as we slice these up, lovely and nice. Remember, do not let your tuna burn in the pan. We're just going to simply add the Eden vegetables into the tuna fry up. And if you're vegetarian and you eat fish, this is a very nice meal that will go down the street. and it's something that's quite easy to prepare. So if you have children or if you're cooking for your loved one, simply mash it up quick time, turn up the heat on the stove, and you know what to do. Don't forget, for more recipes, tune into this channel and do click subscribe and the like button, because it helps us and it helps the channel. Thank you very much. Keep tuned in, we're not finished quite as yet. We're going to let this cook up for another, how long you reckon?
2 minutes.
Another 2 minutes, and then we're going to dish it up on a plate. And there we have our delicious meal, soul food meal. Delicious. Thank you for tuning in and your time. And do remember, press the subscribe and press the like button, smash the like button. It does help the channel and it helps me also. Thank you very much for your time and enjoy your meal.